think it's going to be as much rallying around.
Huh? I thought you were on the road.
No, we're going to rallying around the vice presidential candidate for the Democrats. I think
they're like, oh, he's
no, they're supposed to look before stepping out.
All of his plans, he doesn't think it's fair for me to be private. I don't know what to do. From Megan. Megan, I will have my best response for you coming up next. You're listening to The Line on 104.3 WFM.
Wow, really?
$25 or more.
Saturday morning at 10.
Oh, way to go.
7 right here on South Carolina Public Radio.
Simple goal in mind: to provide high-quality physical therapy coupled with specialized services in locations that provided convenient access for all. For 20 years, we've continued to invest in our community with 11 locations and a wide array of unique therapy programs in our centers of
Did they get over?
excellence. We have seen vast
All
improvements.
of us in various ways. Maybe it's got you thinking about postponing buying a home or selling your home.
And I think the more you talk about that stuff, the more people find themselves in your situation, and people feel like that no one understands them.
Yeah.
Feel understood. You're going to head over and see this on.
Yeah.
Head over. No, yeah. The very fine. We're going to see flat killing. You're in a house. Talk about you and your have all that money. That doesn't need it for farm beer.
It's not easy. I mean, we always see these videos and it's like, oh, well, they just kind of clamp right on there. And you're like, oh, they probably have like, bumper pans.
Each lesson takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and they're all really different, which keeps things interesting. The app is really smart. It actually keeps track of the words I'm struggling with. So
Garner's Auto Sales.
I chose Babbel because it was created by real language teachers.
That's why it sounded familiar.
How people actually communicate and what they care about. I can't wait to use my new language skills in the real world. Dos cervezas, por favor.
With Babbel, get conversational in Spanish, French, German, and more. It just takes 10 to 15 minutes a day. Now try Babbel free. Just go to Babbel.com or download the Babbel app and start learning a new language today. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com.
Are you planning an IRS tax debt? Get ready.
If you're driving slower than me, you shouldn't be upset when I pass.
You don't need to stay.
Every home has a to-do list. That leaky drain,
Mass-wise.
spots on the lawn, repaying the trip. To finally get that to-do list done.
Mass wide, I thought the mass is the wrong word.
Why do people think they have to yield to left turners? You have the right of way.
Things. This is what I like to need to look for. While we're in the simmering pot, and we're going to be here.
Continue on I-20 East for 4 miles.
What the Swedes are doing, simple thing. If you can work from home, work from home. Wash your hands.
Come on, no breaks.
Travel. They were restricting gatherings.
The hell it worked. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, really? I would have honked at his ass.
Yeah, I'm trying to honk less.
But that justified a honk.
Manual recording on.
Okay. Are you happy?
They could get a bajillion speeders on Gordon Highway. Everyone.
Sometimes they do.
Because
Went straight from the right turn lane.
usually that parking lot is full because people can park there when they go to the airport. There's not a lot of people flying out. Did they finally slow down for you?
Yeah, he did slow down.
After your
He's driving too damn aggressively.
We're able to prevent them from needing to go on a respirator. Not just everything, folks. residual disease, and we have to treat every single patient, now probably going on 30 to 35 patients that we've treated.
Driving North Augusta. Beyond that, it looks mostly like traffic's moving well elsewhere across the metro. WGAC news time is 4:34. Stay tuned for Augusta's most...
help, as when you don't help, right, the harm is caused by someone or something else.
Oh, look at those rims.
Ugly.
Low rate. Apparently there's only one rim that has a good rate. Out of gas.
Oh my.
You don't have time to buy gas, but you have time to walk for a gas can.
You didn't have to go very far.
Music was by Fred Johnson. It was produced by Jonathan Mitchell. For a full list of credits and to hear more original stories from the Truth Podcast, subscribe.
1902, member FDIC, equal housing lender. This is Augusta's news, talk, and information station, WGAC.
Speaking warranty specialist. Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Hi, this is Ella from Warranty Services. Can you please verify the year, make, and model of your vehicle?
You mean you don't know?
This is only, sir, for verification purposes. I need you to confirm the details, then I'll be transferring you over to our licensed specialist.
Okay, I need confirmation too, so I need you to tell me the year and I'll tell you the make.
Opposed to everything. That's just the law.
President Obama would know about something that's serious. Am I right?
Unfortunately, everything he ended up having a tough guy handed to him when he took the job.
There's some other stuff here that hasn't taken place. The judge has to make a decision, and it's all that is good in this case. When we expect that decision, and would there be a choice or surprise when it comes to him?
I don't think he'll be surprised. I do think he might actually have a hearing or issue a written opinion. The judge has very limited discretion. Basically, only if the prosecutor's decision to dismiss the charge is some form of harassment, which it clearly isn't for General Flynn, that's about the only basis to deny it. So he's going to grant the motion to dismiss ultimately, but he might have a lot to say about the fair play and the process. We'll find a place where there's room to grow, and yes, it's begun.
Preemptive honking, I want to make sure he wasn't doing a stupid U-turn.
Brand on hugs. I'm talking about Gary the Unicorn from CBC's Studio K, in many cultures known as the proud founder of Gary's Hug Club. So what's a hug-obsessed unicorn to do in the time of COVID-19? Gary the Unicorn joined us to talk about the dilemma and what he's planning to do with Studio K during the pandemic. Here's our chat.
Yeah, I'll just pick a drink you like and stick to it. It's so much simpler.
Since you're taking too long to go and do it.
No.
Come on, baby, come on, baby,
Here's your eyes.
white dress, our body on your confirmation.
Respects past fashion choices with updates to match the, quote, modern progression of Atlanta. The redesign includes white jerseys and white pants for road unis. The Falcons will continue to use black helmets.
Don't step in
Couple of
front of
traffic
us.
wrecks to tell you about it this hour. There's an
That
accident
mask will
at
protect
Windsor
her,
Spring
Steve.
and Tobacco
Oh.
Road in Augusta. Also,
Only
in
for
the
carrying Corona beer.
Mike Paget Highway. That's
with not a great offer going on, and
It's a good idea. Man, by the way, Pack the Lunch, isn't that like a 4-hour movie or something?
Yeah, I think it's 3 or 4 hours, something like that.
It's the best.
Founder of Preservation Specialist. He is the author of the book Save Your Retirement.
STRU.
Its effectiveness. In Washington, John Decker, Fox News.
California's governor now says that mass gathering chase that ended in a shootout in which the man was killed and 3 officers were.
But that might be a blessing that he doesn't keep up in the days the way the rest of us do.
And we got a good parking spot.
You call me from grapevine.
You consider Joe Biden, Mike, as someone that would have the code to the nuclear weapon.
Nuclear.
Specialist, just a phone call away. Now, no one can prevent all identity.
This free service provides proven tips and strategies. Advertise at Augusta.com.
This is Scott Galloway.
Security, I don't really think that this story, even though it is a serious story that needs to be investigated, as you mentioned, Harrison, I think that, by the way, as it's been investigated.
There's a whole lot of folks on that. Okay, so 706.
Oh no, I'm parking right next to you.
Chiller of the week. You have to park right here.
Yes, I do. There's nothing wrong with parking.